Over the weekend, it was the most beautiful, spectacular array of fall colors. And I just had to go out and video it for you because I really want to title this Autumn Heaven, because I literally felt like if I was in heaven during this season, this is what it would look like. And it looked like it was snowing leaves, autumn leaves in all different magnificent colors. So in this footage, you're going to see a lake. And I have to tell you, my husband has got the boat itch. In our neighborhood, we live in a lake community and we're not on the lake, but in our neighborhood, every single house is deeded their very own boat slip. So my husband was thinking, well, let's get a boat at the end of the season because then we can save a lot of money. And I said, you really want that expense? And he said, I don't know. Let me think about this. So last Thursday, he comes running up the stairs and he says, Liz, you're not going to believe what I just found out. And I said, what? He said, there is a marina like 15 minutes from here. We can join a boat club. They have 5 boats, 40 members. You can make basically reservations through this club all over the United States, even on up into Europe. And so he was telling me, you pay a monthly fee, you can cancel at any time. If you have any financial hardship, you can pause your account, which keeps you in the club. And then, you know, if you want to pick back up and join the club again, you can. So he said, I think we need to go down there, talk to them, and see what this club is all about. So we went last Friday. We made an appointment, and we looked at their boats, and they told us that as the club grows, they are required to add boats. So he said right now we've got, I think he said 5. We have 5 boats. On the road, they've got a bigger club, so they have more boats. Down the road from them, they have a bigger club as well with more boats. They've got a club in DC, so you can go out on the Potomac. I mean, it just sounds so fun. If we wanted to go down to San Diego, we could pull a boat out there from their marina, so on and so forth. So we signed up. We are in the process of getting our boater's licenses, and then we're going to be trained by a captain next week. So now I can say, ahoy, mate. All right, enough talking. Let's get into the footage. All right, now we're going to jump into my weekend project, which is a makeshift country pantry. I'll explain why. So you guys know we're doing a kitchen renovation come November 17th. I have a pantry in there, and I thought, well, my goodness, we have got to set something up while we're getting the kitchen renovated so the kids can still eat. You know what I mean? So I thought there's a hall closet around the corner next to the laundry room full of junk, you'll see. And we took it all out. You'll see what we did and what I created. Now onto that footage. What lies behind these doors is a bunch of boxes and junk. So this is what I like to refer to as stuffing. The contents in those boxes are bakeware, dishware, glassware, and I took a few things from each box and set them in the kitchen cabinets, but what I didn't want to do was set up shop in the kitchen only to have to take it all back out and box it back up before the kitchen is demolished. So I decided to make a makeshift pantry here in this hall closet. We need to take out the shelf and the pole, and then we can get started. We had to cut the pole off, and then we could then pull the pegs out. All right, goal number 1, drill a hole through the laundry room on into the pantry so that I can run an extension cord from the laundry room into this little area so I can get a swivel light installed up above. Make sense? And here we go, drilling from the laundry room into this country pantry closet. Came through. Now we're inside the pantry closet, and now we can join the holes and pull the cord through. All right, next, what you see here is a swing arm wall fixture. What I love about it is you have options. You can wire this into your wall and use it as a light sconce with a switch, or it comes with a cord. So again, you have options. And what I'm going to do is install it in the closet above the baker's rack. And here you see it. Now, if I'm completely honest with you, the reason I really wanted to install it is because it looks cute. And secondly, I wanted an extra splash of light here in the pantry. Now, let's add the canned goods. All right, what you see here is I have decided to add the farmhouse sign. Reason being, I wanted to conceal the hole that was holding that big pole. Also, too, this will allow us to keep that hole in place should we decide to turn this back into a hall closet down the line. Are you guys ready to see my makeshift country pantry? Let's look at it. So you can see I had to keep the top a little bit cute. I added a rooster and a market sign and a little green topiary. And then I've got my flour, my powdered sugar, brown sugar, that kind of stuff in sealed containers. I've got my soups and salad dressings and just all the stuff you would stock in a pantry. And then over there, I know that is kind of ugly, but it's functional. I've got some extra, toilet paper, paper towel that I keep close by. And then the farmhouse sign. Now, over on this side, I'm going to hang a really cute, what do you call it? I'm going to hang some hooks so I can hang my broom and dustpan and that kind of stuff and it won't look so bad over there. By the way, the baker's rack I got at Hobby Lobby years and years and years ago, but they usually have baker's racks all day long there. So if you want to do something similar and get a little more organized, or say your pantry is just overflowing and you need to get more organized, and you have a little hall closet nearby, you can do something similar. And this is real close to the kitchen. It will serve its purpose and function. So I'm happy with the way it turned out, and I know where everything is. All right, my sweet friends, I am shooting for 3 videos this week, so you will most likely see me on Wednesday. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in the can, so stay tuned. And I just want to let you guys know how much I love you. I just think you guys are all wonderful, and I want you to know from the bottom of my heart how much I appreciate all of your wonderful comments. You guys taking the time to stop by and see little old me, it just means so much to me. And my husband was reading through some of your comments on Friday's video, and he said, you know what, you are truly blessed. These women are wonderful. I said, I know, I am beyond blessed, and I feel that way so much. So thank you. Sending you guys my love, hugs, and prayers always. And I'll see you Wednesday. Mwah! Bye, guys.